Here's a favorite of family and friends. A tomato and butter pasta dish that they always enjoy, and it's so easy and so savory. Hi, this is Connie, with another quick and truly tasty dinner recipe that always gets raves.
And this is Vince. Welcome to our channel, a quick recipe.
Today we're going to do an easy and super tasty pasta dish, with great flavor and just a few basic ingredients, which feeds 4 to 6 adults.
You can review them in the Show More section below. Let's get started.
Take a good-sized saucepan or skillet and bring it up to medium heat. Then add enough extra virgin olive oil to cover the bottom of the pan.
After coarsely cutting a large-sized onion, add the onion to the preheated pan.
Add the salt, coarse black pepper, and crushed red pepper flake. Take a moment to subscribe to our quick recipe channel and give us a like.
It makes it possible to create more episodes for you.
Follow up with the 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter. While the onion and butter marry, prepare the tomatoes. You'll need 3 pints of either cherry or grape tomatoes. We prefer cherry tomatoes, but they weren't available, so we were left to use grape tomatoes.
This method of slicing is the quickest way to get them done in a hurry, even those that try to get away.
Prep your garlic while the onion gets closer to being tender. And then add it to the onion mixture. Once the onion is tender, add the cut tomatoes. The color is incredible, and the aroma is absolutely intoxicating. Add another layer of seasoning to the tomatoes. It helps to level and even out the taste of the seasonings throughout the recipe. It will take a while for the tomatoes to break down, about 20 minutes. In the meantime, bring your pasta water to a boil. Once the pasta water comes to a full boil, add salt to the water. A good general rule of thumb for salting pasta water is 2 tablespoons of salt for every quart of water, or 1/2 cup of salt per gallon. Add the pasta, and make sure to stir continuously until it is totally taken up by the boiling water. Just about 60 seconds short of being fully cooked, add the pasta directly from the pot to the tomato butter sauce. If the sauce begins to look like it needs more liquid, add some of the pasta water to the sauce. It will increase the amount of sauce and will help in completing the pasta's cooking. Be careful not to allow the pasta to be overcooked. Pasta should always be al dente, which means firm when bitten. Now add the fresh basil, and blend it into the pasta until it becomes tender and fully accepted by the sauce.
That smells incredible. Time to plate up.
You know, many cooks that are new to this type of cooking are afraid of using garlic and pepper, particularly spices like red pepper flake.
That's a shame, because that's what usually makes a good recipe great. Make sure not to forget to finish the plating with that fantastic sauce.
Voila! Don't be afraid to add some parm to complete the dish with its fruity nuttiness. Along with a good glass of wine. Bon appétit! Here are a few more tips and recipes that you may find interesting. Also, check out our website, aquickrecipe.com, for more interesting cooking ideas.
Thanks for watching. See you next time on our YouTube channel, A Quick Recipe.